Orbital assembly is the process of constructing large objects in space, such as satellites and space stations, but also giant telescopes too big to fly on a rocket. It involves assembling components in orbit and requires specialized tools, techniques, and materials. You will most likely want to automate as much as possible. Orbital assembly has the potential to revolutionize the way we build in space, by allowing us to create larger structures with fewer resources and with less flights to orbit. In order to understand orbital assembly, it is important to know what it entails. This includes understanding what materials are needed for construction, how the components are put together, and how they are stabilized in orbit. Additionally, understanding how orbital assembly can be used for various applications such as communication networks or exploration missions will help us better understand its potential benefits. Orbital assembly is a relatively new concept, but it has already attracted the attention of some large companies. The most notable company working on orbital assembly is the Gateway Foundation and their partner, Orbital Assembly Corporation. The two companies are collaborating to create Voyager Station, an orbiting hotel that will be the first of its kind in space. They are also working on other projects such as space tourism, satellite servicing and manufacturing in low Earth orbit. Before they will build Voyager Station, they will build up to it with smaller space stations that use the same concepts. They think really big and are also the first that will try to create artificial gravity, by rotating the space station with the right speed it would in theory. Although there aren't many other companies currently involved in orbital assembly, it's likely that more will join soon as this technology continues to develop and become more accessible. What do you think, is orbital assembly the way to go, or are other ways of building in space better? If you like this video, don't forget to push that button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.